Hello my fellow idiots and welcome back to another episode of An Idiot's Guide. Now, we're going to carry on splitting our events into their own files, but then we are going to... we're just going to completely replace our command handler. I feel like shit. I couldn't figure out how to repair or secure the command handler that we implemented. So I'm just going to completely scrap it and implement an old version of the Komada command handler. There will be a link to that repo in the description. It's a bot framework by Evie.Code's Siberian Shadow and Faith. I'm technically part of the development team, but I've been on hiatus for quite some time, and I just do like the add-on stuff. Like I did a bunch of commands for it that you go to a different repo to download. It's basically like a plug-and-play bot creation framework. It's really nice. But yeah, first things first, we want to split these up into more events. So we've got the guild member add, guild member remove, update, ban add and ban remove. Now these are really simple, really simple. But first we need to open up our event loader and basically just copy the bottom line and paste it a bunch of times. Let's see, I'm actually going to do a little trick. Pane, split right, and close that on there. Right, bada bing bada boom. Now this is like for hardcore developers, where it lets you like code on two files at the same time. Any more than two and you get a bit over the top. But we're just doing this so I can... I do apologise for the sniffles. I'm still suffering with post-Christmas illness. Everyone gets it. Alright, now we just replace these. And I do apologise if my keyboard is loud as hell. I got a mechanical field keyboard for Christmas off a good friend from America. Thanks, buddy. And I want to use it, so fuck you all. Right, we have the events imported. Now we need to make files. So once this is saved, I can actually close you. Okay, let's do something simple. The guild member add. No, don't have caps lock on. Guild member add.js. Now I want to get this off top of my head. I cannot remember how this is. Shit, where was I? I was on here. I think I just do this. I think. Can't really test that. Not really. Well, I could, but... well, let's just get this all done first, and then we shall... right, duplicate that file and just rename it to remove. Okay, we just copy this into here. That's two events down. Now we duplicate this again. It's basically just duplication at the minute. Update, we're doing the guild update, guild member update now even. Okay, here we go, this is a bit different. As we did before, we want member. We've got to put this in brackets. not brackets. I actually don't know what to call those. Yeah, I've got to do that. And we also have to require deep diff. So let's copy that, because I don't know if I need that anywhere else. So, pardon me. That'll log the difference. I will be changing that in the future, but for now, let's just do that. So now we have the ban add and ban remove. So, new file, guild ban add.js. I should duplicate that right now. Okay, we just want to grab that. It's guild and user. Okay, I was wrong. Guild user, and that is ban add. We'll do the same for ban remove. Right, that is all of the events split up. Now, if I could get this one firing, then we know it's working. But, as I said before, you can ignore these. They're just warnings, so just ignore them. So, right. NodeMon. Let's get that up and running. Yeah, I've got a new bot. It's my development bot for my actual guild. As you can see, it's not here on the side. That's because this is an alt account where I can do my videos without being interrupted. So yeah, and I won't actually feature my guild on the videos because don't want to be dealing with that shit. So right now, if I change my nickname. Okay, that should have fired. Yeah, nickname test. So with that firing, then the events are all working correctly. So now, on to the bread and butter of this episode. It is going to be huge copy and paste, and it's basically going to be reworking these 3 commands. And then that'll be the episode. But first things first, we have to delete this reload command from the main file. And we have to save that. Now we have to go into the message event, and we have to delete all of this. Right. Now, I have this copied already, so it's just going to literally be copy and paste. Copy all of this and paste it into here. Now, I don't have linting. I really should, and I might actually quickly grab a file. Actually, yes. Oh, what's that? Oh, yeah, I have to define fs. Const fs equals require fs. Semicolon. Log is not defined. Wait, didn't I copy that? No, I did not. Right, I'll be back in a minute, guys. Will be instantaneous for you. This is the bit that I forgot for the main file, and I also need to actually install Moment. You remember how we install things? Oh shit. My bad. I forgot you have to confirm. Right, moment is now installed. Double check. Moment. Oh yeah, I can uninstall Node Opus. npm uninstall Node Opus save. There we go. Because we're not doing anything with sound with this bot now. So uninstall that. Right. Now that has done that. And I completely forgot about the linting. 1 second, guys. Right. I've got the linting file. Just waiting for it to update, but it's there. So let's just see if we can force an update. Okay, here we go. Right, that's never used, so get rid of that. Okay. We'll be going through all the files with the lint in a minute. And going back to the actual command handler, we need to grab these and there. Beautify. Error checks is not defined. That's for something else. Yeah. Settings. Right. That is that done. Now, let us go through all the events to make sure everything is correct. Okay, client is defined but is never used. But do we actually pass that? I cannot remember. Ooh. Yeah, we do pass it, but we don't use it. So, but that's for the disconnect. Yeah, you can just ignore that. Typically, it's a good idea not to ignore stuff like this. But if we're passing the client to it, then it's needed. Okay, let's see. See, all this is just like minor stuff. But it keeps your code neat and tidy and pretty much error free. See, clients never used, but we got a semicolon. About looks of it, none of these really saved. Okay, event loader, you saved. You saved. You did not for some reason. Now you have. You saved. You saved. You saved. You saved. You did not. Now you saved. Right. Now we need to update our 3 commands. First things first, I just actually need, because I completely forgot about the reload command, I need to completely replace the reload command with this one. Okay. Evie does it differently. I like using full terms, client and message. She likes to shorthand, bot and MSG. So I'm just going to fix it for me. Message. I like to call these arguments, not parameters. But there is no wrong way. There's a way of doing it and there's a way of doing it differently, but unless your code is like full of errors, then there's no wrong way. Right. We have a fancy smancy reload command now. It's almost the same, well actually no, it's nothing like the previous one. But it's got these 2 new things. Exports configuration, exports help. Exports help goes with the help menu, which is what we're going to be adding in a minute once these 3 have been updated. And it'll give you the name of the command, the description and how to use it. Now this is complaining about double quotations. I prefer single quotations. However, there is that one particular issue with single quotations. You have to escape the apostrophe. Okay. That is that done. Let's just do this. Okay. And do you down there. Now, you might be wondering what this perm level is. I should have really gone over that a minute ago. But if you look in the main file at the bottom, client.elevation, set perm level. Perm level 0 is the everyone role. Mod role, it finds the moderator role and applies a permission level 2 to that. Admin role is level 3, and the owner is always level 4. So this actually helps with what we're going to be trying or attempting in the future videos. So this is fantastic. Actually cuts my work down quite a bit. But yeah. So if you want to change the name of your moderator and admin roles, you can stick this in your configuration file, like your settings.json, and just require it like I did here. And bada bing bada boom, that you sorted. So we want moderators to do this. The lowest the permission we want is moderator. So moderator or higher can do this. Now, was it 2? Yeah. 0 misses 1, 2, 3, 4. So moderators or higher can do this command. It does not have an alias, and this is a purge command. And we update the description. Purge is X amount of messages from a channel, from a given channel. That should be capital. Purge. Oh, I accidentally deleted the quotation. Purge number. Yep, that should help. Ping. Now I'm just going to straight up copy and paste this ping command because they've already got a ping command. So let's say copy, paste, and it is done slightly different to how I do it. This is apparently more accurate than how I was doing it, but yeah, I need to do that before I do anything. Bot, replace that with client. Find message, replace that with message. Ooh, crap. Okay, you should be message 2. Now, do it. I want to look for message 2 and replace that with message. And you are never assigned, so I can actually delete that. So that's the ping command done. Right, now I am going to actually open up my... What? No, that's Firefox. Don't open anything like that. I'm actually going to open up my tags bot, which is York Dev, and I'm going to open up this help command because this is what I have been using for the new bot. So paste. Close you, save you. Right, just change you to settings. I should change all the configs to settings so it's universal. Right, now, if we were to launch this, fingers crossed it doesn't crash. Okay, that should be like the little emoji, like, yay. Let's see, where is it? Where are you? Right there. It's a little like, yay. But now if I was to do, I think, if I remember the prefix was this. Help. No? Ooh, what's this? Ah, cannot find config JSON. That'll be in the message event handler. Yeah. Where is the config? I do not see anything that says config in there. App 5625. Ah! Oh yeah, that reminds me, I need to sort out the owner ID. I've switched it over here so you guys don't see my token, because I'm getting sick of having to reset it. But I will, however, update the example on screen. Oop. Owner ID, your user ID. Okay, that's updated now. So now, in theory, oop, yep, that's loaded. Now if I do help, there we go. Now if I do page 2, hey, so that is still working. It's still doing its thing, and now that I think about it, this is actually making the next few episodes a lot easier because it comes with the permission levels. I'm actually going to quickly add to the examples owner ID. Mod role ID, admin role ID. Your mod role ID, gotta make it simple. Your admin role ID. Perfect. So now in the next episodes we will be able to do our commands, our lockdown, our ban, unban, kick, mute, and we can just tap straight in. Am I still requiring settings? Yes, I am. Ow, my face, got an itch. So if I just do settings, right now I can do, actually I've got them. Mod role ID. Okay, if I do settings dot mod role ID, settings dot admin role ID. Now whatever you set in your examples for your mod role stuff, you'll be able to do, and you can just assign like those particular roles to your staff and you're good to go. Well, I guess that'll do it for this episode, guys. Hopefully we'll be getting back into business. Next episode, if I can remember, is lockdown. Oh shit. Where's my notepad? Where's my trusty notepad? 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 Nope. Nope. Notepad. Okay, right. Episode 7 is Warn, Mute and Lockdown. So tune in next time, guys, and we will get cracking with that. We'll probably start with Lockdown, since I already have that incorporated into my self-bot. It'll be pretty straightforward to implement into this Komada style command handler. So I will see you guys in the next episode. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like. If you want to leave any feedback, suggestions or questions, leave them in the description below, or come onto the server. I'm on there pretty much 24/7. I have a nice team of staff. We've got a helper role that people can opt in and they can help other people. It's a big friendly community. But anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.